Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I just want to do a little bit of a talk about sharing on social media. Because I can't keep my hands still and it's annoying, I'm just going to glue a few things at the same time. So today I have been sorting out some of my social media. And over the years I've amalgamated about over 2,000 friends on my personal Facebook page. Okay, and it kind of has started to bother me. I'll tell you for why. My youngest grandchildren are my last set of grandchildren. I've got 7, but they are the youngest, and I'm not going to get any more. And I really like posting photos of them and talking about what we do as a family and things like that. And although I've got my personal Facebook set to friends only, it's one of them kind of like domino effects, isn't it? Where people can get on your page that you don't want on your page. So long story short, I am going through and it's going to take me days. Days and days. Gosh, there's no quick way of doing it, I don't think, unless anybody knows of one and can tell me in the comments. I'm going to be reducing my friends list massively. Like probably by over 1,000. Probably 1,500. So if you are on my friends list on my personal Facebook page, which is my Amanda Charlesworth personal one, and you find over the next few days or the next week, however many millenniums it takes me to sort it out, that I have unfriended you, please don't take it personally, okay? I'm going through, and people whose names I can't connect, I don't know who you are, I'm going to be unfriending. And like I say, it's because it's starting to concern me about the safety aspect. But what I'm going to do is I have both a group and a page. So the page is linked to kind of like it's always been just my paper crafting. And so I'm going to step it up, posting on there. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And that is my Facebook page. That is my Create with Scrimpingmommy page, not my Amanda sharing what she's having for tea and pictures of a dog page. So on there, you know, I'll share when I've done a video, I'll put a link. If I do a freebie, I'll put a link, you know, and I'm going to be doing more things on there, trying to do more inspirational, maybe pictures or mini videos or things that I've done or things that I'm up to or still shots of my craft room or, you know, jokey posts, you know, still, you know, very much Amanda land, but focused on the crafting, not on my personal life. Okay, I'm boring anyway. I'm well boring. I don't do anything exciting really, but you know, I just want to and it sounds really silly, but I do give a lot of myself on social media, a heck of a lot, with my videos and my group and everything else. And so I just want to claw that little bit of personal space back for myself, so that it can be about, you know, just my family and my personal thoughts and things like that. So there will be people that I do keep that I've never met, but are crafty friends that I've met through the internet, that I've met through YouTube, that I know, you know, and that comment on my posts, and that know, you know, I've followed my children growing up and things like that, and, you know about my bits of my personal life and things that I don't, you know, that have been with me a long time and I don't mind. And then, you know, there's, like I say, there's people who have no idea who they are. Literally no idea who they are. And it's a little bit worrying. So there will be a bit of they call it a Facebook cull, don't they? I don't mean it in a big dramatic, I'm reducing my Facebook friends. If you've still made the cut, then blah, blah, blah. It's not like that. I just need to be a bit more internet safety conscious, I suppose. And I know that, you know, it's difficult to do, isn't it? Once you've put something out there, it's out there, you can't get it back. So maybe that's a bit of a warning to all of you guys out there. But, you know, when I started my paper crafting journey, I didn't realise where it would go and where it would take me and how many followers I'd end up with and etc. And so, yeah, I just need to claw it back a little bit. So I will please urge you to go and follow my page, which is all about crafting, none of the boring Amanda Land stuff, all crafting, you know, and I will update more there, and I can share things better. You're not supposed to share businessy type things on your personal Facebook anyway. So, you know, it's just a little bit more craft focused, I suppose. So like I say, please, if anybody finds herself unfriended, please don't be offended. It's not personal. I'm unfriending probably about 1,500 people, and I'd love to see you over there, because at the end of the day, that's probably why you've followed, you know, friended me for the crafting. So I'm going to be doing more focused things over there. It's going to be better. It'll work out better for you, better for me, safer, more crafty focused, and yeah, I just feel like it's a move in the right direction. So I'm just faffing with these bits from from my French chic journal, which I'm on with. But please do make sure you do follow, because I'm going to be doing some freebies. I'll announce them on my YouTube, but you know, I will also announce them there. So if there's any updates, if you're not, you know, glued to YouTube or whatever, then you might want to go and join. Well, it's not joining. Follow my page. And you know, there's always also the group. You're welcome to go and join the group. Just make sure you answer the 3 joining questions and you're in. Those are going to be the main ways to follow me. I've tried Instagram. I just don't think it's for me. I tried TikTok. I found it really negative. Don't like it. So yeah. So in short, I'd love for you to come and follow me over there, rather than try and add me as a friend on my personal page. I will not be accepting any more friend requests, and I don't send them out unless I, you know, genuinely meet somebody that I know in real life. I won't be adding any more to my friends list. So come and join me over there. You know, that's going to be the new Amanda Land, and we're going to have some fun over there. Well, I'll do my best, but I just feel like it's an important thing to do, not just for me but for my family as well. I have recently had a bit of a close brush with a scary moment with somebody that had followed me over there and you know, made comment about a picture they'd seen of a family member, and it's just made me think I need to be a little bit more careful where other people in my life are concerned. They can rip me to pieces. I'm not bothered. So if I keep it over on my page, then I won't be posting pictures of my grandchildren and my, you know, my own children and my husband and things like that, and you know, pictures of my house, or maybe accidentally a picture of my car. I'll make sure that doesn't happen. You know, so that it keeps it's crafty related. We're coming for the paper. For the paper, the scissors and the glue. So if that's what you'd like, come and join. You can follow the page or you can join the Facebook group. You're more than welcome. And that's enough waffle from me today. And whilst I'm at it, bear in mind your own social media security. Just be careful what you're posting out there, people, because it can be a scary place. So just be careful what you're posting, because you never know who's looking. All right, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.